Want a more defined face? A simple yet effective way to achieve this is through jaw exercises. These are more than just physical activities. They're key to unlocking a chiseled, well-defined face. Imagine being able to tone your facial muscles, just like you do with your body. Anywhere, anytime, without the need for any special equipment. Picture this: a stronger jawline, a more confident you. So are you ready to embark on this journey? Ready to start? You're about to discover how to chisel your jawline. First up, we have the chin lift exercise. This simple yet effective routine is all about elevating your chin towards the sky. While keeping your eyes fixed upwards, you'll want to pucker your lips as if you're about to plant a kiss on the ceiling. Now hold this position for a good 10 seconds before slowly returning to a relaxed stance. But let's not rush things. Perform this exercise slowly and carefully to avoid any injury. Remember, consistency is key. Do this exercise regularly for best results. Next, we have the collarbone backup. This exercise is a powerhouse jawline and enhancing your neck posture. Start by standing straight and pulling your head back as if you're trying to touch your collarbone with the back of your head. Hold this position for about 10 seconds, then relax. Repeat this 10 times. As you perform the collarbone backup, you'll feel a slight stretch in your neck and jaw muscles. This exercise not only helps in defining your face, but also improves your overall posture. Last but not least, we have the tongue press exercise. Start by sitting up straight and tilting your head back so you're looking at the ceiling firmly. Press your tongue flat to the roof of your mouth. Next, lower your chin to your chest as far as possible without rounding your upper back. You should feel your chin and the front of your neck contract. Then relax your tongue and straighten your neck to return to the starting position. This exercise can help you achieve a more defined and toned face. To recap, we have discussed 3 simple yet effective exercises. The chin lift, which targets the muscles under your chin, the collarbone backup that works on the muscles around your neck and jawline, and the tongue press, a great exercise to strengthen your jaw muscles. Remember, the key to a more defined face is consistency. Consistently perform these exercises and you'll see noticeable changes over time. With consistent practice, you are sure to achieve a more defined face. Start today and see the difference.